Today, I'm going to show you a device I made about 10 years ago called Namespace. Except for a short time it was in an exhibition, it's been sitting on a shelf in my house working away. Namespace is programmed with over 5,000 first names and over 88,000 last names of Americans derived from U.S. Census data. It randomly combines first and last names to come up with the names of what might be called theoretical Americans. It makes up a new first and last name pair every 5 seconds. The chance of any given last name appearing is proportional to its actual frequency of occurrence in the U.S. population. As you watch, you see it produce both name combinations you might expect and name combinations that are wonderful cultural mixes. It also comes up with a fair number of surprises. I think that working with similar data, few other countries would produce such an interesting result. Though the names are randomly combined by chance, I have found it occasionally comes up with the name of someone I know or the name of a famous person. Electronically, Namespace is simple. It contains a blue vacuum fluorescent display, the kind you might find in a microwave oven, and a micro SD card reader. They are controlled by a homebrew Arduino microcontroller chip. There's also some stuff in there to regulate voltage and so on. I decided to power Namespace from a wall transformer rather than a rechargeable battery because it's designed to sit for long periods of time coming up with names. Namespace's programming is straightforward. After displaying the intro screen, it loops through code that makes up random name combinations, a random first name and a random last name chosen from the thousands on the SD card. The new name is sent to the bottom of the display, which is then scrolled up, pushing the previous name off the top. It pauses for a few seconds, then starts the loop over again. Programming is done in the C-like Arduino language. Namespace is part of a larger ongoing series of devices I've created over the years called Enigma gadgets, which perform interesting and no doubt unnecessary functions. There may be more about these devices in future presentations, as well as information about the design and construction of the enclosures. It all depends on how this one goes. Thanks for taking a look.